Hey everybody, been a very long time. I'm so sorry. I just don't do very much of summer videos. Um, we had, I think, last month, end of June, we had a heat wave. We usually don't get heat waves very often, but it was so bad. At least I survived. I thought I was not going to survive. We only had it 3 days. It was just like the weekend. Monday was even hotter. Anyways, July's okay. July's been good for me. I have a lot of motivation. So, yeah, I decided to do some videos for you guys. Try to get back in swing of things. Just bear with me. Only times I'm not gonna film is Wednesday and Friday, because of that. At the senior center reopened, so I'm not happy. I'm still not happy. But it's different. It seems easy. Plus, there's only maybe, let's see, 6 or 7 people there having lunch. Rest of the people are still want their meals at home. So yeah, it's yeah. Anyways, that's that. Just a little update on my work, my volunteering job, and schedule there. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna try my best. I'm done with summer. It was nice to have it and not to enjoy the wonderful, dreading heat wave. Anyways, now I'm rambling. We're doing good. I'm doing good. I'm getting back of my energy and being motivated and stuff like that. So today I'm gonna do my Birchbox. And you're wondering why you're just the box that comes in the box. Well, this month, like in April, they had that bag that you can multitask. You can heat it up, you can put food in it, and that kind of, or whatever. So we got that bag for Earth Day, something nice. For this summer, this for July, we got mesh bags. So it's really cool. I think I'm gonna give this bag to my mom, and I don't know, cause I have another bag too. Anyways, so yeah, and then to do that. That. So how are you guys? I missed you guys. I hope you guys are still sticking around on my channel. I know I'm not like those other YouTubers. I'm sorry, I'm not that fancy. I don't have that kind of money. I just do what I do, and yeah. So, anyways, this is what I have. Oh, first, this is they're having a sale, and this is what I. Whoa, there we go. I have this hair. Got it. Anyways, I just had it. There it is. That's what I have. Sorry, I tried to make the light. I had to like close the blind a little bit because it was so bright. Anyways, so this is the bag. I think it's really cute. It has like this coral color and it's like tealish, bluish green. Anyways, let's take all the goodies out. One, I tried to be careful because I like to show this to my mom. So if she likes something or she wants something, or if there's something I don't want, I could give it to her, or I give it to her, or I give it to my sister. Let's see, the last time was it June? Yeah, June or May, whichever. I think it was June. Anyways, we went down and to see them, and then I gave her the Birchbox that had this stuff that I don't want. I give to her so she can share with her daughter, so they can, Anyways, today, this month, I got a Benefit Cosmetics Play Tint Lip and Cheek Stain. Full size is 18. I try to be careful. It didn't want to be careful. It was like, no, not today. Not today. So this is the packaging. Very, very bright pink. I don't know how I feel about this. I do like pinks, but whoo, that's like a bright. This would be pretty like for the spring and of course summer. But that I'll test that out. Alright, next product I have, oh, this guy. No, this one. This shampoo. This shampoo. Sorry, I have to like do a different angle. And full size is 28 or 29, excuse me. It's just this Solu, whatever this shampoo one is called. It's just shampoo. Oh, clarifying solution shampoo for all hair types. Yeah, I might give this to my mom because my hair is not liking different shampoos. Anyways, I'll give that to her. She might like that. Excuse me. Okay, next I have this Space Bar Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm Bar. So I was like looking at this, I'm like, this is my pick. So I'm like, no, this is, anyways, I was looking to see what I had because I like to sneak peek. I tried to do it on my birthday or Christmas time. And I'm like, ooh, what's this thing? And I like really look at the, what it is and stuff. It's for odor, like you can use it for your underarms or certain areas of your body you want to clean really, really good, deeply, and help the odor. So that's good. That sounds cool. So it's just like this. Sorry, I didn't mean to like zoom it in your face. This is also cruelty free. Cruelty free little bun right there. So yeah, I'm like, ooh, I'll definitely test this out. And if you guys want to do that, I'll do one for you guys. I don't know what's going on in my comments. I'm like very careful what I do on my channel, so I don't know. Anyways, this guy full size is $8. Oh, it's an odor control. That's what it is. So yeah, it's kind of cool though. Like, where did I need that when we have the heat? I'm like, ooh, I so need that. Anyways, moving on. I have this hair mask. This guy here. Can't see it. It's very ombre. I have other products in this, and I had like the hairspray that I didn't use, and I think something else, and this is like my third one. So I'm like, ooh, hair mask. At first, I wasn't sure what it was. Then I'm like, ooh, let me see what it is and stuff, and I'm like, ooh, yes, please. So yeah, the full size is $66. Let's see. It restores, softens, shines, and body, and to body dry. Oh, probably give body to your hair. Okay. I know I'm trying to read people's English, but oh man. So yeah, that is. Last thing I'm definitely not gonna keep. This is real, whatever this brand is. This guy. I had something like this, not like this, but a face peeling, and it was my first product for my first Birchbox that I got. So this is a Rescue Rich Cherry Lip Peel. Whew, I said that really slowly. Full size is $34. So I'm just gonna put this in the box. Make a box for my sister. I don't like making a box. No. So I need to pull a really cool box out. This is the thing I do with boxes. What's up? These are not boxes. But anyways, for example, for like these type of boxes, Birch boxes, I keep the box. I also keep these. Oh, cool. And I keep these. Oh, God, this is a thin one. Okay, I'm not going to keep this. But I do keep these. But this is very thin. This is not protective. Like, okay, Birchbox. What happened? Anyways, so I'll keep those, not just that one. Anyways, so when I do, like, especially for, like, Christmas or so, I would put some goodies or, make my own, like, gift box type thing. So, yeah, I have a lot of those. And then I have big tissue paper, the tannish ones that you get from for seasonal decor. They wrap it up and stuff. I keep those because they come in handy for when you're putting away breakables during season. So yeah, if you wanted to know why I keep them and what I do with them, that's what I do. And I also keep the Bath Body Work bags, the small bags, because they come in handy for birthdays, Christmas, or just general whatever. So yeah, that's what I do. So yeah, and then sometimes I do declutter the boxes. Some I don't want to keep or don't. That was cute, but not cute anymore type thing. So yeah. Okay, so that's what I have in my July Birchbox. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys like what I do with the box. It keeps certain things, because, I like to, restore, not restore, but reuse things, because except just throwing it out and recycling, it's like you're wasting good stuff with it. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to drink my unsweet iced tea from McDonald's with reusable straws at home. Anyways, I'm gonna go and talk to you guys Thursday, because Thursday is a big video, very long video. I hope you're prepared for it. Good video. It's gonna be my collective haul. Haven't done one in a while, so it's gonna be my first collective haul in 2021. Wow. Whoo. Dang. Alright. So I'm gonna go. And I love you guys. Be safe in the heat or whatever you are. Please be safe. I love you. And yep. Alright. Bye guys.